This week, our animation has kind of taken a new turn, so we are condensing it down into a couple different 12-second shorts instead of one big animated film. So the process this week has been making that main scene based on the assets that we have already, and then starting to key out the main frames. So I've created in another file that looks like this one, just the main scene itself. And let me change our view here back to perspective. So it has the island, we'll have the palm tree, and then the crab, and then there's going to be a flag asset as well. And the idea is that the crab will basically come up one side of the hill, plant the flag, a effect of some kind will happen, and then he'll go rolling down the hill unsuccessful. And each short will show that off and kind of this quest of this crab failing to plant this flag. I've made the flag model as well. It has his little face on it. So it's kind of him claiming this island as his own. And if we go back into our perspective and back to our main camera here, he'll come up this side starting on one and then roll down, and then everything's continuous. So the next scene, he'll come up from the same side he rolled down on, and just kind of continue this trend of little mini shorts. But this week I've gotten that all put together and shared to the team so they can do their own segments as well. My scene will be the crab coming up the side of the hill. There's going to be this kind of volcano in the back, and it'll kind of explode and cover the crab potentially in maybe some fire, or he'll kind of freak out and roll down the hill. So that'll be my scene. We'll have one where there's a big fish, there's a big tidal wave, and then some massive rain and like electricity happening as well for thunder. So there's still quite a lot to do, but we're just pivoting a little bit. But that's kind of current plan for this week. Next week we'll get the keyframes kind of looked at all together, and then start to nail down more smooth transitions of where things need to be. So that's this week.